We are pleased to show you the 2024 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, wheel covers, privacy glass, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.